Good morning, student. Here in this video lecture, we will discuss about some functions that we can use with the text file operations. Just see, in this text file operation, we require 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different functions. Right? By the help of these functions, we can shift the file pointer from one position to another position. With the help of these functions, we can read the particular position where the file pointer is placed. With the help of these functions, we can strip the white spaces from the text file, and with the help of these functions, we can split a line into words also. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different functions are there related with this text file operation, and you may get 2 marks MCQ from that particular topic. Means this video lecture reserves 2 marks of your theory examination, right? So just say we are going to start with this video lecture. Here on that part of the board, you can see one text file is created, and the name of this text file is abc.txt. It is created in the root folder of the Python, right? So here 2 lines are there in the text file. Good space warning, have space A, then space nice, then space day, then this exclamatory mark. So this is the content of the file, right? Now very first we are going to start what is a seek function. What is the role of seek function? Here just see, when you open a file, suppose I am going to write this command pq equal to open, and here abc.txt, then I am going to open this file in the read mode. For that I just supply this particular command. Here R mode is there, right? So once we open the file in the read mode, the file pointer, by default the file pointer is here at the very beginning of the file, right? At the very beginning. What is this beginning position? This position is known as 0th position, right? So if you want to know what is the current position of your file pointer, just see one command is there. मैं एक variable बना लेता हूँ pos. It is a simple variable. pos equal to pq.tel. Right, tel, it is a function, so you just use a small bracket with this tel function, right? The tel function tells you the position, current position of the file pointer. Now, if you are going to print this position variable, print pos, you will get 0 at here. Why it is 0? Because file is open in the read mode, right? By default, in the read mode, file pointer should be there at the 0th position. So here, the position is 0. Right? Now, if you want to shift the file pointer according to your wish, according to your position, तो उसके लिए क्या करते हैं? By default, the file pointer should be there at the 0th position. Now, if I want to shift the file pointer from 1, 2, 3, 5th position, just see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, if I want to shift the file pointer from this on this M, morning's M alphabet, then my command should be, just see pq, it is my file handle, file object, pq dot seek, S-E-E-K, seek, and here I just write 5. Clear? Seek 5. The file pointer, now the file pointer is going to shift on the this particular part, and यहाँ से यहाँ पे shift हो जाएगा by giving this particular command. Right? Now, if I want to shift my file pointer at the 50th position, तो मैं क्या करूँगा? इसी कमांड की जगह मैं ये कमांड यूज कर लूँगा pq.seek 50. Simple, right? The file pointer is placed at the 50th position of the file. Clear? ये हम कहाँ यूज में लेंगे? In the later stage, in the same chapter, we are going to update the records in the different file. Update or modification process is there. In that updation and modification process, the seek and tel function, these 2 functions are most important, right? For updation, for modification in the file. Clear? Now, some different modes are also there with the seek function. Just see, what is the seek function formula? Seek should be in a small letter. Inside the small bracket, very first you have to give the position where you want to shift the file pointer. राइट। अभी मैंने क्या किया, देखो मैंने किया pq.seek 5. नाउ इफ आई यूज दिस कमांड str equal to pq dot read 5. Just see, if I supply this command str, it is a string variable, pq.read 5, तो होगा क्या, कहां से रीड होगा? Reading starts from the current position of the file. और if you are going to print this str variable, print str, तो क्या appear होगा? File pointer is here at this m. Now it starts from m. It is going to read 5 alphabets, 5 letters from your file. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The output should be m o r n i. Right? This is the effect, this is the output, and this type of MCQ questions will be there in the question paper, right? So here, this is the seek function. We can use modes also with the seek function. अब ये mode क्या होता है? Just see. What is mode? Mode means what? Mode 0. Here you put, if you put 0 at the place of mode, 0 put करते हो. 0 means beginning position of the file, beginning of the file, right? Here you can use 1 also. 1 is current file position, current file pointer. Currently file pointer किस particular alphabet पे है, इसके लिए अपन 1 यूज करते हैं. कैसे यूज करेंगे मैं बताऊंगा. Now 2 is reserved for end file position. Clear? अब देखो, if I want to shift the file pointer at the end of the file, मुझे यहाँ पे file pointer place करना है. For that, what is my command? My command is pq dot seek here 0, 2. Just see this one. 0, 2. 2 means end of the file and 0th position from the end of the file. Right? अगर मुझे file pointer last के previous 5 shift करना है, means I want to shift 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. मुझे ये पॉइंटर यहाँ पे शिफ्ट करना है. 7 step back from the ending of the file. 7 step back. तो मैं क्या कमांड दूंगा? My command is pq.seek -7, 2. Minus stands for backside movement, plus stands for forward movement. ये सब समझना अच्छे से. 0, 2 is the end of the file. Mode is 2 here. So 0, 2 computer cursor file pointer, it is there at the end of the file now. अगर मैं ये कमांड सप्लाई कर दूं -7, 2, very first file pointer shifted at the last and then it reverts back from the 7th position. It is known as -7. Clear? Now suppose if I use this command, my next command is so I am going to write a new command pq.seek, to change the pointer here, pq.seek. Let's see, I am, instead of writing that part, I am using that code. pq.seek 5, 0. What will happen? 5, 0. Very first, the file pointer should be shifted at the 0th position, and from the 0th position, it moves forward towards the 5th position of the file. So this command is just similar to that command pq.seek 5. Both the commands are same. Clear? Either you can use this one or you can use this one. बस एक चीज ध्यान रखना, यहाँ पे अगर आप 0 मोड यूज करते हो तो इस 0 मोड के साथ आप माइनस वाले डिजिट नहीं दे सकते. कैसे? देखो, अगर मैंने कमांड दी pq.seek -2, 0, क्या होगा? Very first, if 0 mode is there, it means it is the beginning of the file mode. So very first computer cursor shifted at here at the beginning of the file. अब आपने दिया -2, क्या होना है? -2 तो कोई पोजीशन ही नहीं है फाइल बिगनिंग से. Here you will get an error. So if you use 0 mode, 0 means file beginning mode, then you should supply the positive value, right? So that the cursor move forward from the 0th position. And if you are there at the ending position, जैसे मैं ये कमांड यूज कर रहा हूँ pq.seek 5,2 इसमें भी एरर है. Why it is an error? 5,2 2 is the end of file mode. सबसे पहले C command mode रीड कर दिए. Now the C command will shift you at the end of the file at this position. Right? From this position आपने कमांड दी भाई end of file से 5 step forward चलो. End of file के बाद तो कुछ है ही नहीं, कोई लेटर ही नहीं है, फाइल एंड पे पड़ा है कर्सर, तो फॉरवर्ड कैसे जाएगा? सो दैट दिस लाइन हैज एन एरर. ध्यान में रखना. सो एक सिंपल सी टर्म निकालते हैं. इफ यू आर वर्किंग विद द एंड फाइल मोड 2, here you should supply a negative value so that your file pointer moves backward to the end position. If you are at the begin mode means if you use 0 mode, then you should supply positive values so that the cursor move forward. Clear? Positive value should be there with 0 mode. Negative value should be there with this file end mode. Now if you put this one, it is right. Clear? Current file position में आप दोनों values use कर सकते हो. Just check the sequence. What is there in the current file position? मैं एक चीज करता हूँ. Suppose your cursor is here. ये सब हटा देता हूँ यहाँ से necessary words. Suppose while reading the file, your cursor is here on that particular alphabet. Right? File pointer is here on A. Clear? Now if you supply this command pq.c -5,1. 1 means it is the current file pointer position, right? So currently file pointer is placed at here. If you supply -5,1, क्या होगा? यहाँ से 5 step back चलेगा file pointer. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The file pointer is here on the particular alphabet H. Right? It moves from here to here. It is the backside position, backward shifting of the file pointer. Now, if you use this command pq.c 5,1. Now what will happen? Cursor is there at the current file position. The cursor is here. इसको मैं वापस हटा देता हूँ. Cursor अभी यहाँ पे है. Now just check कहाँ move होगा cursor? Yeah, it is the positive value. Positive value means forward movement is there. Forward movement means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cursor is here at this on that particular alphabet. Right? So these are the seek command of our file handling mode. Now these seek command are used for getting the proper output. Clear? इससे output related questions आने हैं. Now just see कैसे question आने हैं और किस तरह अपन use करेंगे. I am going to give an example related with this application based question that are coming out from this concept. Just check it out. Here the question is this one. What will be the output of the following program? क्या question क्या है? The file is same. Here pq equal to open abc.txt and then I am going to open this file into the read mode like this one. Right? Now the next command is pq.seek 5,0. Clear? Then after that the next command is pos equal to pq.tell. Tell means what? Computer is going to tell you what is the current file position. Right? Now here again my next command is pq.seek again 5,1. Right? तो कितने स्टेप चला कर सकते? 0 to 5. 5 स्टेप पहले ही चल चुका है. Now here 5,1. 1 means it is the current file position. फिर 5 कदम चलेगा. Right now the cursor is at the 10th position. 0 to 5, then again 5. मतलब cursor कहाँ है? At the 10th position. So here pos1 equal to pq.tell. This one. Clear? Now the command is str equal to pq.read 5 and then the different print commands are print pos, pos1, str comma separator equal to hash. Now just check what will be the output of this question. Step by step समझो. PQ dot open it is अच्छा. These type of question, in this question you will get the file content also, so that you can determine, so that you can judge the output of that particular question. So here PQ dot open ABC dot this, PQ dot seek 5,0. So cursor is here 0 1 2 3 4 5. Cursor is here at the 5th position. Clear? Now the next command is position equal to PQ dot tell. PQ dot tell means computer is going to tell you what is the current cursor position. Current cursor position is 5. So here in this POS variable 5 is stored. Now again PQ dot seek 5,1. 1 means current position. Current position is this one. And then 5 means move forward. तो अब आपका cursor कहाँ जाएगा? 5 step move. 1 2 3 4 5. Cursor is here at this end. Clear? Now 10 में क्या है? If you are going to count the position of n, so here 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Right now the cursor is at the 10th position of the file, so 10 is there in POS1 variable. Right here just see the command. यहाँ पे आपने दिया PQ dot read 5. This read command read the content of the file from the current cursor position. Current position से 5 step आगे के alphabets read होंगे. Now just see current position is this one 1 2 then slash n. It is terminated here. So here the next 5 alphabets will be there from this file. अब मैं इसमें कुछ और जोड़ देता हूँ. Good morning students word जोड़ देता हूँ. Right? So cursor is here. It is going to read next 5 alphabet. Next 5 alphabet मतलब कौन सा होंगे? यहाँ cursor से शुरू करो from the position 1 2 3 4 5. Right? So here N G then space S T it is there. Computer read this particular content and now the cursor is at the next position. U पे आके cursor खड़ा हो गया. Clear? So here what will be the output of this program? POS, the output is 5 hash 10 hash NG space ST. This will be the output. Right? So we completed these two functions. Now we are here on the str strip function. Here the strip function is there in 3 different modes. L strip, strip from the left, R strip, strip from the right, and then normal strip from the both end, right as well as left. Right? What is the role of strip function? This strip function removes white space characters from your file, from the specific string variable of the file content. Right? It will remove the white spaces. अब बात करते हैं white spaces में क्या क्या आता है. White spaces contain space. इसको रिमूव करेगा. स्लैश n, स्लैश t, all these things, ये जो white space में आ रही है, इन सबको ये रिमूव कर देगा फाइल कंटेंट से. राइट? सो क्या होता है? जस्ट सी. If you see the file, good morning student, and then the next line is have a nice day. देखो मैं कोड चला रहा हूँ. मैंने कोड चलाया PQ equal to वही सेम open abc.txt and then it is in R mode. Right? Read mode. Now I am going to read the very first line of the file. तो मैं इसमें क्या देता हूँ? str1 equal to pq dot read line this one. ठीक है? क्या आएगा PQ? str1 में str1 is a string variable and now when computer is going to read the first line तो ये स्टोर क्या करता है? str वेरिएबल को अगर आप देखते हो तो इस वेरिएबल में ये स्टोर मिलेगा आपको good space morning then space students and after that slash n is there in that str1 variable. Just see the variable properly. ये चीज आपको इस स्ट्रिंग वेरिएबल में मिलेगी. ये स्लैश n कहां से है? We are working on the text file. In the text file, after each and every line, computer put EOL character automatically. EOL means slash n. This character ये automatically put होता है फाइल के हर लाइन के एंड में मिलेगा आपको, but दिखाई नहीं देगा. But when you read the file content and if you want to store this file content into a string variable, तो आपको यहाँ पे दिखाई देगा. Right? Now, अगर मैं बोलूँ what is the size of the line 1? how many letters are there in line 1, or we can say just check the size of the line 1 in byte. तो आप क्या करते हो, आपको जस्ट एक कमांड चलानी है यहाँ पे, साइज इक्वल टू len str1, सिंपल। इस लाइन की क्या साइज है बाइट्स के अंदर, कंप्यूटर वो स्टोर करता है साइज वेरिएबल में, राइट। एंड इफ यू वांट टू प्रिंट द साइज वेरिएबल तो क्या प्रिंट आएगा, देखो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22. Here you will get the size 22. Any issue? No. Now अब आपको बोला फाइल की साइज काउंट करनी है आफ्टर रिमूविंग द EOL कैरेक्टर फ्रॉम ईच एंड एवरी लाइन। आफ्टर रिमूविंग द EOL कैरेक्टर, अभी जो साइज है इट इंक्लूड्स दिस स्लैश एंड आल्सो। नाउ माय नेक्स्ट कमांड इज जैसे मैं एक और वेरिएबल बना लेता हूं n साइज नाम से, n साइज इक्वल टू सॉरी एक मैं स्ट्रिंग का वेरिएबल बनाता हूं str2, दिस इज माय स्ट्रिंग वेरिएबल, और यहां पे मैं क्या करता हूं str1 डॉट स्ट्रिंग स्लैश n। क्या होगा, it will remove this slash n from the string 1. This is the string 1, just see this is the string 1. If this strip function remove this slash n, either the slash n is there at the back side or the slash n is there at the right side, right, left side or right side, दोनों से slash n को remove कर देगा। Now after that if you are going to count the size 2 equal to len str2, यहां पे आपको साइज बताएगा 21 बाइट। क्यों बताएगा, क्योंकि स्लैश n इज रिमूव्ड फ्रॉम दैट पर्टिकुलर स्ट्रिंग, सिंपल वन, क्लियर। सो दिस इज द रोल ऑफ स्ट्रिप फंक्शन, strip, this is the role of the strip function, right? Now we are going to discuss about the split function now. What is split? What is the role of split? ये समझना जरूरी है. It is an important function. If you want to show your file word by word, right? One string is there, word by word. Each and every word that is there in the line, you want to show them separately. Here, एक चीज देखो. In this text file operation, we are having read command. Read command क्या करती है? It will read the entire file content, or it will read the file content due to the digit that is supplied by you. दूसरी command क्या है? Read lines. वो पूरी line read करती है. रीड कमांड से आप सिंगल अल्फाबेट भी रीड करा सकते हो. रीड लाइन से पूरी लाइन रीड होगी. रीड लाइंस एक और फंक्शन है. बाय दिस फंक्शन इट इज आल्सो फॉर द होल लाइन. वर्ड के लिए तो कोई फंक्शन है ही नहीं, कोई भी ऐसा फंक्शन नहीं जो वर्ड बाय वर्ड रीड करे. फॉर दैट अब क्या किया जाता है, जैसे मैं एक एग्जांपल देता हूं. सपोज अ लाइन कंटेन्स दिस वन, एक स्ट्रिंग वेरिएबल, इट इज गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स. It is there in the line function, right? Now, if I supply the command a equal to line dot split split, what will happen? Line dot split. Clear? By default, the split function works on space. ये क्या करेगा? ये split function it will return a list. जरूर ध्यान रखना, इट विल रिटर्न अ लिस्ट. आपकी जो स्ट्रिंग है इट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू लिस्ट, एंड द लिस्ट कंटेन्स क्या आ रहा है, देखो ए के अंदर ये आ रहा है. हियर GWD गुड, इट इज द वेरी फर्स्ट एलिमेंट ऑफ द लिस्ट. देन द सेकंड एलिमेंट इज मॉर्निंग, MORNING मॉर्निंग, एंड द थर्ड एलिमेंट ऑफ द लिस्ट इट इज स्टूडेंट्स. This is there in the variable a. Just see, I supplied this line only. Line dot split. क्या किया इस split function ने? This split function break the particular string. String कौन सी? This one line. Break the particular line word by word and store each and every word inside a list variable. Just see, good morning student. Now the line is converted into words. It is important in the text file operation. Computer तो फाइल रीड पूरी लाइन रीड करता है टेक्स्ट फाइल से. Now it is on you how you break the line into separate words. Clear? So here you will get different words from this particular line. This is the role of split function. Clear? अब ये कैसे यूज करें? जैसे आपको बोला माई वर्ड किसी भी फाइल में कितनी बार आया, जस्ट काउंट my my word, how many times this my word is there in the text file, just count. Right, for that क्या किया जाए, just see, पूरी फाइल रीड करनी है and we are going to filter how many times this particular word is there in the file. तो क्या करें वो देखो अभी. Here my question answer is pq equal to open, then abc.txt, it is the file, and then I am going to open the file in the write mode, in the this mode, read mode. Here I am using one variable line, it is a string variable, तो मैं इसको ऐसे दे देता हूँ. Done. Then नीचे while loop लगाता हूँ, while line, जब तक line में डाटा है line चलती रहे. Clear? While line. Here with this while function, my first command is line equal to pq.read line, this one. Done. तो कंप्यूटर क्या कर रहा है, just see that file abc.txt is there. p line equal to pq.read line, मतलब फर्स्ट पूरी लाइन इसने उठाई, गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट विद स्लैश एन भी है, पूरी लाइन इसने उठाई, उठा के it will store the line into the line variable. When you execute the while loop very first, the first line will be there in the line variable. क्लियर? अब मैं क्या कर रहा हूं, देखो मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा, एक बना लिया वेरिएबल नया, word equal to line डॉट स्प्लिट. डन. अब ये वर्ड में क्या जाएगा, सोचो, लाइन है गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट, इट इज देयर इन द लाइन वेरिएबल, जस्ट सी गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट इज देयर विद दिस लाइन वेरिएबल. नाउ इफ आई यूज वर्ड इक्वल टू लाइन डॉट स्प्लिट, तो ये जो वर्ड एक लिस्ट बनेगी एंड इनसाइड द लिस्ट गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट, द लिस्ट कंटेन वर्ड ऑफ द पर्टिकुलर लाइन, ईच एंड एवरी वर्ड ऑफ द पर्टिकुलर लाइन. ठीक है. अब मैं यहां पे लगा देता हूं फॉर लूप फॉर माई इन वर्ड. इस वर्ड को यूज करना है, इस पर्टिकुलर लिस्ट को अपने को चूज करना है, माई इन वर्ड. ठीक है. ये अगर है तो अब मुझे इसको काउंट करना है. फॉर दैट मैं एक मिस करके यहाँ पे मैं काउंट वेरिएबल और बनाना पड़ेगा मुझे, काउंट इक्वल टू 0, इसकी स्टार्ट वैल्यू देनी पड़ेगी. नाउ हियर विद दिस फॉर लूप आई एम यूजिंग काउंट इक्वल टू काउंट प्लस 1. ऑटोमेटिकली कंप्यूटर फिल्टर्स दिस माई वर्ड एंड माई वर्ड आते ही फॉर लूप चलेगा और ये काउंटिंग शुरू होगी आपके पास. ठीक है. राइट. नाउ कंप्यूटर काउंट्स दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग एंड देन आफ्टर दैट अब आप इसको सीधा जाके और पर्टिकुलर while loop को क्लोज कर दो एंड देन हियर यू जस्ट अपीयर दिस काउंटिंग लास्ट प्रिंट वर्ड्स आर count. Clear? So this is the role of the split function in our programming. We will discuss about different programs that depends on the split function in the future in the next video lecture. So just see what is the role of a split function over here. Clear? Now we will shift on the flush function. Flush means what? We know that if we open a file in the read mode, फाइल में कुछ लिखना है आपको, एंड देन वी आर गोइंग टू राइट डिफरेंट लाइंस इन दैट फाइल. The data, the lines that we are going to write in the file, it remains inside the temporary memory of the computer. It remains inside the file handle that is there inside your computer's memory. फाइल में एक्चुअल में डाटा कब राइट होता है, when you supply this command pq.close. At this time, actually, your computer is going to shift the file handle data into the file that is there in your hard disk. Right? ये है read और file operation, write operation के ऊपर ये आपका pq.close वर्क करेगा और जब आप फाइल का कंटेंट राइट करोगे at that time it is going to shift the content by using pq.close. Clear? But one function is there in this regarding with this text file operation. If you want to shift your file handle data to the file at the middle of the program, right? एक्चुअल में कहाँ जा रहा है, जब आप क्लोज करोगे तो जाएगा. आप चाहते हो इससे पहले भी डाटा मेरा जाके फाइल में जाके राइट हो जाए. फॉर दैट यू जस्ट यूज pq.flush फंक्शन. जहां जहां pq.flush फंक्शन यूज करोगे उस समय फाइल हैंडल में जो डेटा है वो जाएगा और फाइल के अंदर जाके राइट हो जाएगा. क्लियर? सो by this we have finished today's topic. Here these 5 functions are there and the explanation of these 5 functions are also there on the board. I hope you understand the concept. Thank you very much.